In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music with a new Copilot. We're going to keep this very simple and beginner friendly. If you want to quickly generate a song idea using AI, Copilot gives you an easy place to start. In this example, we'll ask it to create a pop song about summer vacation, but the same process can be used for almost any theme, style, or mood you want. First, open Microsoft Copilot in your browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the main Copilot interface, where you can type messages and interact with the assistant. This is the area you'll use to give your music prompt. If you're new to Copilot, think of it as a creative partner that responds to clear instructions, so the way you phrase your request matters. Next, click into the message box inside Copilot. This is where you'll enter the prompt that tells Copilot what kind of music you want it to create. For this walkthrough, type the following request. Create a pop song about summer vacation. This prompt works well because it gives Copilot both a genre and a theme. Pop song tells it the style, while summer vacation gives it a topic and overall feeling to build around. When you're writing prompts like this, being specific usually helps you get a better result. Even though we're keeping it simple here, this basic format is a great foundation for generating creative music ideas. After you've typed the prompt, press enter to send it. Once you do that, Copilot will begin generating a response based on your request. Depending on the version you're using, it may provide lyrics, a song concept, or a structured musical idea inspired by your prompt. The key thing here is that you've now given it a clear creative direction, and that's what allows the AI to produce something useful and relevant. If the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, you can always refine your prompt later by changing the genre, mood, or subject. But to get started, this quick method is one of the easiest ways to begin creating music concepts with Copilot. That's it for this process. You opened Microsoft Copilot, clicked into the message area, typed a prompt asking for a pop song about summer vacation, and pressed enter to generate the idea. It's fast, straightforward, and a great way to explore music creation with AI.